starting my bike tour. So this week's gonna be rainy. I might get a lot of rain. So today's plan is to head to Crescent Beach after St. Augustine. It's about 50 miles from here. And time is 8 o'clock. I'm now on the Kerner Road bike trail, heading towards beach. Jacksonville Beach. The weather is not cooperating today, but that's okay. I am not made out of sugar. So tonight is a free campground. I'm gonna camp at Moses Creek Conservation Area. It's a free campground. It's supposed to rain all week, on and off, so we'll see how it works out. Going down the beach. This is the Beach Boulevard. Beach Boulevard crossing. So crossing the San Pablo Road. Intercoastal waterways coming up. Crossing over to Jacksonville Beach. I have plenty of time. One River parking lot is coming up, so I'm gonna stop there and see the ocean. Let's go and see the ocean. So I'm gonna leave the bike here and going to see the ocean. Look at this, Atlantic Ocean. Beautiful. Today is so windy, rainy day. The temperature is still upper 60s, so it's not cold. All right, that was a nice stop. It's really windy and rainy. There's no one there. There's my bike. Alright, it's time to continue my ride. 25 miles in, 25 miles to go altogether. So I'm actually already halfway. It's not raining, some kind of mist, but not really rain. But it might rain later. I had the tailwind, so it's easy to ride. The wind is pushing along, going 20 miles an hour. That's my store. I always stop in here. Of course I got the ice cream. This is my ice cream shop. Only place where I can eat ice cream actually. So that was a nice stop. Now I'm gonna continue my ride. St. Augustine is coming up in 10 miles. Beautiful. I think the Daytona Beach coming up soon. This one is a South Ponte Beach. It's a nice ride. Mostly tailwind. Easy to ride. Going like 18, 19, 20 miles an hour. The weather has somewhat improved. No rain at the moment. Daytona Beach is coming up, but I'm turning towards St. Augustine. Crossing over into St. Augustine. That's where I came from. And that's where I'm heading, into St. Augustine. I stopped here in McDonald's and now I'm continuing my ride. and heading to Crescent Beach, Moses Conservation Area, free campsite. That's where I'm heading. Oh, look at this bike. That's so cool. This is the famous St. Augustine, the oldest city in nation. Now I'm gonna go take the Lion's Bridge. That's the Lion's Bridge. A1A is out. 10 miles to go. Ambulance. Crescent Beach. Now it's gonna be a couple of miles off and going to Moses Conservation Area. Welcome to Crescent Beach. Sometimes it's good to be on the bike rather than in the car, because see, they're all stuck here, and oh, I don't think I can get through. Who knows? I'm going over Intracoastal Waterway. Here you go. Moses Creek Conservation Area. That's where I'm heading. I'm here. I made it. So now I have to find a campsite. I camped here before, but I don't remember. I think the first road right, if I remember it correctly, or maybe not. I have to go back. So I'm back. Itinerary at work, okay. Alright, let's see. Okay, take 2. Let's try again. I think I found it. Yep, now I remember. That's the correct way to go it. Yep, that's the one. I have my nice campsite. St. John's River Water Management Area campsite. Whew, I made it. Okay, that's the one. I made it. So I have my nice pavilion here. Fireplaces, and there are actually 2 fireplaces here. Alright, let me put my tent up and then get ready for the rain. I can camp here for free. Look at that. We have fireplace, we have a pump there, then it's a nice place to sit down, enjoy your food, your company if you're coming with a company. And I have my tent up. And it costs you nothing if you reserve it. Yeah, it's gonna start raining soon, so it's 4 o'clock right now, I think, or close to 5 already. So soon it's gonna get dark. I climbed into my tent and hiding from the mosquitoes. So tomorrow morning I'm heading out and I have another 50 miles to go. Today I did 50, I think I did 54 or 56 miles today. So tomorrow's gonna be about the same. Good morning. I'm ready to go again. So today I'm heading to Port Orange. It's about 52 miles away. We get some rain later today. Right now it's not raining, but it might rain soon again. Anyway, I'm heading out and I'll see you all on the way. I'm heading out. This is the way into campsite. Now I'm heading back out to the road. They have some bike trails here. So if you are into mountain biking, Moses Creek Conservation Area is a great place to ride a bike. The drawbridge is up. The sailboat is going through, and now the bridge is going down. That's pretty cool. It's pretty stormy. That's the same sailboat that passed by earlier from the drawbridge. No rain right now, but it might rain later. Fort Matanzas National Monument. One day I need to go there. I used to went there all the time when my kids were little. There's a fort on the island, and they have the free ferry. Welcome to summer heaven. Been here many times. It's raining and the headwind is so strong that I'm going 9 miles per hour. Washington Oaks Garden State Park. I still haven't gone there. One of those days I'm gonna go. Okay. I think I'm in Flagler Beach, or close to Flagler Beach. That's the Flagler Beach. So I'm gonna stop here, get some Cuban food. So I got my food. I got the chicken soup. I'm on the way again, going through Flagler Beach. That was a nice stop here at Cuban food. I got the soup and the coffee, and now I'm continuing my ride. And I see the sign, Flagler Beach. So, look at this famous place. No rain, but it's gonna rain later. So the good thing is that Bryan is picking me up. He's coming to ride a coast-to-coast trail, and we're gonna ride together the first day. But it's gonna be a rainy day tomorrow. We'll see how it works out. So Bryan is such a nice guy. He offered me to stay indoors tonight because it's gonna be raining. He's coming from Delaware, and then tomorrow we're gonna ride together the coast-to-coast trail. I'm going to Dealand. He goes all the way. But it's gonna rain tomorrow. So we're definitely gonna get rain. We'll see how it works out. It's a nice ride here at Flagler Beach. Circle K gas station. Going by the back roads. I think it's a Daytona Beach already. So I'm gonna head to the hotel. Bryan's gonna stay in the hotel, and he offered that I can stay there too. So we're gonna start riding tomorrow morning, coast to coast trail from Titusville. And I'm gonna ride one day with him, then turn on into Deland and taking the train back to Jacksonville. But Bryan's gonna continue all the way to the west coast of Florida. So thank you for watching. Thank you for following along. The next video you see is tomorrow. I start riding coast to coast trail towards west. Okay. Hey.
How are you?
Good, good.
Did you get rained on today?
No, a little bit in the morning.
Unbelievable coming down through there today.
Really?
The kind of rain where you can't see through it.
Yesterday.
Cars start going really slow, pulling
Really?
off the highway. It was like, man. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, if you